Good evening everyone. My name is Manji Mohan Agde. Today we are learn pronouns. So let's start. What are personal pronouns? Who should tell me? You. Yes.
A personal pronoun replaces a name.
You are right. Pronouns. 7 pronouns. Which are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. First pronoun is I. I means मी किंवा मला. मराठी मी व्यक्ति आहे. मैं व्यक्ति हूँ. हिंदी में for example, I am a student, I am a doctor, I am a best friend, I am a teacher. Next pronoun is we. We means आपण किंवा हम. मराठी आपण नाचत आहे आहोत. हिंदी में हम नाच रहे हैं. हम नाच रहे हैं. For example, we are dancing, we are singing, we are reading books. Third pronoun is you. You means तू किंवा तुला. You are my friend. तू माझा मित्र आहे. मराठी तुम मेरे दोस्त हो. For example, you are my friend. You are my best friend. You are my teacher. You are my teacher. You are my sir. You are my parents. Fourth pronoun is they. They means the किंवा व. ते गात आहेत. मराठी वे गा रहे हैं. हिंदी for example, they are singing, they are dancing, they are best friend. Next is he. He is use तो नहीं तो वह. He is playing. मराठी तो खेळत आहे. हिंदी वह खेल रहा है. For example, they are singing, they are dancing. Sir, एक मिनिट. Example, he is go to school, he is reading books, he is writing work, he is writing school homework. Next pronoun is she. She is used for ती नहीं तो वह. She is reading. मराठी ती वाचत आहे. हिंदी वह पढ़ रही है. For example, she is writing work. She is playing cricket. She is doctor. She is teachers. Next and last pronoun is it. It is used for ते नहीं तो वह. For नहीं. It is a cat. मराठी ते मांजर आहे. ही वह. हिंदी वह बिल्ली है. For example, it it is a cat, it is a dog, it is a table, it is a chair. This is all pronoun. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.